No, it's not the typical sound you'd expect to hear from a commercial fishing boat. It's the sound of the future and a whole new approach to the problem of getting large amounts of usable power aboard your vessel without a propulsion system that weighs tons. It's the Wadsworth water jet, and it's changing the way marine engineers approach boat building. We'd like to introduce you to the Order of Magnitude, a 56-foot purse seiner constructed near Seattle, Washington, and unofficially known as the fastest commercial fishing boat in the world. The Order of Magnitude was built with a new philosophy: give a vessel plenty of horsepower, but without the big, awkward engines of the past. After several years of research, this sleek vessel is now home to the Wadsworth water jet, a combined diesel or gas turbine power system which cranks out an incredible thrust of 4,000 horsepower. That's 4 times the power of normal diesel engines, but with considerably less weight. And the thrust from the Wadsworth water jet is truly impressive, powering the Order of Magnitude to speeds of over 50 miles per hour, unheard of with traditional systems. And yet with this codog arrangement, the operator can use the onboard Cummins diesel on the fishing grounds or in port, providing true versatility. Both engines run through a common sear bath gearbox to power the 32-inch impeller. And while seen here in a configuration for commercial vessels, the Wadsworth water jet is by no means limited to these applications. The Wadsworth system is also being installed in pleasure boats and European yachts because of its outstanding features. The pump of the Wadsworth water jet is an axial mixed flow type, which is highly efficient over a broad range of horsepower inputs and boat speeds. The impeller, wear ring, bowl, steering, and reverse systems are all constructed from stainless steel to ensure a long life and thousands of hours of trouble-free service. The Wadsworth water jet features carrier and thrust bearings which are self-contained in an oil bath stator bowl assembly, allowing for precise tolerances and very efficient pump operation. The bearing lubricant and seals can be visually monitored from inside the boat. The turbine of the Wadsworth water jet exhausts through the stern net ramp of the Order of Magnitude and is closed at slow speeds to allow the ramp to be used for fishing activities, such as launching skiffs and net hauling. Of key interest for both commercial and pleasure craft is the water jet's unique ability to operate in extremely shallow water. In fact, it's that shallow draft which is an unequaled feature of the Wadsworth system. Here, the Order of Magnitude comes within just a few yards of the beach. With just a 40-inch draft, the Wadsworth water jet opens new areas for recreation and commercial use, areas you wouldn't dream of taking a traditionally powered vessel. And when you get into the shallow water, you'll have unparalleled maneuvering ability. The Wadsworth water jet has developed a low-profile, omnidirectional steering system, which permits continuous directional control about a center axis, regardless of forward or reverse movement. The steering and reverse are hydraulically actuated with a full follow-up closed-loop servo system. The accomplishments of the Order of Magnitude and the unique features of the Wadsworth water jet have been featured in dozens of articles in international newspapers and magazines. And that attention is increasing with the release of a recently completed Pershing 70, a perfect combination of a sleek Italian pleasure yacht and the efficiency of the Wadsworth water jet. Again, the Wadsworth system is being selected because of its low-maintenance design and weight savings. A tremendous amount of power could be achieved in a small package, saving room for cabin space. That gives boat owners more room for passengers or cargo on board. For mega yachts, it's the perfect combination when the Wadsworth water jet is mounted in multiple configurations, an incredible union of thrust and efficiency. The Wadsworth water jet can be easily adapted to your configuration. For the fisherman, it offers quicker access to the fishing grounds, a vital point in this day and age when fishing seasons can last for minutes instead of hours. For other commercial vessels, a Wadsworth system can provide a tremendous amount of onboard power, giving more thrust for handling loads, with a smaller engine package, leaving more room for cargo. And for the pleasure craft, the future's technology to vessel power with speed and efficiency. Is it any wonder why